Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure you check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure you watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD has been pretty sideways. Definitely still has not given us a break of structure, telling me that the trend is definitely still down, not only on the 1 hour, but it's definitely down on the higher time frames also. Whenever the trend is down and we go to the sort of time frames that come up with reasons to look for longs, oftentimes we end up losing because the trend is heavily down, and the trend, as always, is your friend. Now, I would definitely expect that the dollar would make a much bigger pullback. So if this move down right here does make a higher low, make a nice engulfing move to the upside, I would definitely take it as a long. Then if it goes up and takes out this structure, that would should give you more confidence that we're going to make a much bigger pullback. But until it actually does take out structure, we have to realize that this move up could just be a correction to the last move down, and that looking for shorts is still probably going to be the higher probability trades at the end of pullbacks. So definitely keep in mind that the higher time frames are down and that the trend is always your friend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.